Grinch. So for the Grinch, what do we need? So we need several parts. So we start off with the hat. So the hat would actually go this way, and this will cover it. And then we have this little white piece that's gonna go over here. So that will be the hat. And so as you can see, this will make up the rest of the face. So you have the eyes. So for the eyes, you have the bigger black part, then covered by yellow. And then this black part that's gonna go in just like so. Right, so we have that for the right and left. And we're going to be having this, that's gonna be the eyelids. So the eyelids are going to be coming in just like this, right underneath the eyes. These two pieces will form the nose. Because this is gonna be green on green, I put in the black to form the contrast to separate this out. So it's gonna go in like so. And then we have this piece right here that's gonna be the mouth. Okay, so let's get started. So let's start with the eyes assembly. So this one is gonna, as you can see, this could be cut it out perfect oval, but with mine, because I know the yellow will be coming in here, I do not actually need that. So we're going to go ahead and put in the yellow first. So this will go right over here, like that. Next up, we'll put in the black portion that's gonna go on the top of the yellow. Right in the middle. Okay, so that's the eyes done. So next up, let's put together the nose. Okay, so the nose assembly is there and it's ready. So let's leave that right there. And the next is the hat, but I'm going to actually leave this a little bit at the end. So next up, let's actually put on the face. Right, so for the face, I'm gonna put this right on the top. And by the way, to cut this, all I had to do was just fold this in half, so like you get equal shapes, and then went ahead and just cut through and made a little bit of this design. Right. So that's why you can see this a little folded. So to put this on, this is the most important part to get the face. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the edge of the plate. Because you were cutting out the whole green, it doesn't really matter which kind of plate or color that you use. I could have used a green plate, but it's hard to kind of get the same contrast to make the shape for the Grinch. So we're going to go ahead and paste this on. So it's almost sitting on top of the plate. So next up, let's actually then do the hat. So because this will go, let's just put this way. So this will go right over here. Okay, so this was gonna go right now. So let's put on the glue on the hat. And then we'll put this on. And then last but not least, we put on this portion. That's gonna go on like so. One thing I could have done differently here is to actually create more space between these so that you can see that this is part of the edge of the hat, but it's quite okay. Okay, the mouth fell, so I picked that up. Okay, so next, let's do the eye. So just to get an idea of where this will be, this is gonna go like so, and this will be coming in right over here. Actually, this one is going to be like this, and then this will come in like here. Okay, so we could put this on now. Okay, so the glue needs to go on this side. So this is how this is shaped. Again, if you fold it, then you're gonna get equal parts that looks exactly the same. And this one glue is gonna go on this side. Okay, so next we can put on the eyes. Okay, I'm not gonna press this down too much because we know it's hollow underneath this. Okay, so that's on. So next, let's complete by putting on the nose. And the nose is gonna go right over here, closer to the eyes. And we're gonna conclude by putting on the mouth. Okay, and there you have it, a completed Grinch.